Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Acer laptop touchpad is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for the word touchpad in the Windows search bar and then go to touchpad settings. Now, if this switch is off, turn it on. That's very important. And then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Make sure that each and every update is checked. The last one is to update the touchpad driver. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Now all of these will say HID compliant mouse, whether it's a mouse or touchpad. So right click and update each and every driver. That will be easier instead of finding out which one is which. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.